In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Google Slides presentation with others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply sharing your work for feedback, Google Slides makes it easy to distribute your presentations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Share button, which is prominently displayed and ready to facilitate your sharing needs. Click on this button and a sharing dialog box will appear on your screen. This is your command center for managing who gets access to your presentation. Now, within this sharing dialog, you'll see a space where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you'd like to share your presentation with. Carefully type in each email address, making sure to double-check for any mistakes. Remember that ensuring accuracy here will prevent any potential sharing mishaps. This feature is particularly handy if you're collaborating with multiple people at once. After you've entered the email addresses, you'll need to decide what level of access each person should have. Google Slides provides 3 permission levels: viewer, commenter, and editor. A viewer can simply view the slides without making any changes. This level is suitable for those who just need to see the presentation but don't need to interact with it. If you want someone to be able to provide feedback or leave comments without altering the slides themselves, select the commenter option. Finally, if you're working closely with others and need them to make edits and contribute directly, grant them editor access. This flexibility ensures that every person has the appropriate level of access for your needs. Additionally, you have the option to include a personal message. This can be a useful way to add context or instructions that will accompany the email notification they receive. You might want to include details about the deadline for their feedback or an explanation of what aspects you're particularly looking for input on. It's these small touches that can smooth out the collaborative process and make your intentions clearer to your recipients. Once you've completed setting everything up, go ahead and click the Send button. This action finalizes the sharing process, dispatching an email to each specified recipient with a link to the presentation. They can then access the slides directly from the email in accordance with the permissions you've set. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward way to share your Google Slides presentation. By following these steps, you can confidently distribute your work, allowing others to view, comment, or edit as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.